We ready to get started? Okay, can everyone hear me? Great. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for coming. Good evening and welcome to Shred 10. My name is Lacey Wheeler, and in addition to being a professional musician and piano teacher, I also own my own health food agency, and I've teamed up with the Healthy Living Revolution movement because we want to take healthy back in our communities and help others achieve more optimal health. And to that end, this Shred 10 program is about shredding some old bad habits, detoxing and cleansing your body, and jumpstarting healthier living in general. It's not specifically designed to be a weight loss program, but instead a catalyst to getting and staying healthy. But a lot of times what happens when we remove toxins from our body and add better things in, weight loss is a really awesome side effect. So this will be the perfect reset for all of us, and I'm so excited for you guys to check it out. So in general, why do we need something like the Shred 10? Well, there are two really startling trends that are affecting all of us today, no matter our age or level of wellness. And the first trend is the decline in quality and nutrient density of our food. Crops are grown in nutrient deficient soil, and processed foods are packed full of preservatives and empty calories. I actually just heard the other day that it takes something like 6 to 8 oranges to match the vitamin C equivalent that you would, or the nutrient equivalent that you have found in one orange back in the 50s, back during our grandparents' era. So that's disconcerting. The second trend is the increase in toxicity on our planet. So whether it's from industrial chemicals and combustion of fossil fuels or pesticides on our produce, endocrine disruptors are all the plastics that surround our food, like saran wrap and plastic containers, which leach phthalate molecules into our food, and then those mimic hormones, and that makes it really difficult for us to regulate our own hormones. And then did you know that the average American consumes 14 pounds of preservatives every year? It's kind of gross. If you're a mom, you want to be a mom, you know a mom, this is fairly disconcerting too, that these babies are born with an average of 200 chemicals on their umbilical cord blood. So here's a chart of common clinical conditions associated with toxicity. So obviously these toxins wreak havoc on our body, and then instead of focusing on cleansing the body, most doctors merely just try and treat the symptoms, which usually meet with minimal success because they're not getting to the root of the problem, right? And then prescription medications usually only add to our toxic load. So our bodies just can't handle the onslaught of toxins. So it protects our organs by trapping those toxins in fat cells. So the good news about that is that it keeps those toxins from like wreaking havoc on our body. But the bad news is those fat cells expand and get bigger and cause weight problems. But here's the good news. I know this has been a lot of bad stuff so far. It is possible to detox our bodies. So this diagram here is really revealing because it shows why counting calories and even exercising without proper nutrition can do more harm than good. So if you check out the top half of this slide, when you diet and exercise without proper nutrition, it causes stress to your body. You burn fat, but toxins are re-released into your system when that happens, and then they have no way to get out of your system. So in an effort to self-protect, your body will increase fat production to protect your vital organs, and then this produces a rebound effect. Have you ever heard of the yo-yo diet? This is why. So you can see why dieting is just a vicious cycle, but there is a much better way. The safe and healthy way to lose weight is to allow your body to cleanse itself by removing the toxic load first and adding clean eating, especially fruits and vegetables. So if you look at the bottom half of this slide, where she's cleansing her body, she's adding in clean whole foods, primarily fruits and vegetables, because those are the catalysts that the liver needs to be able to excrete those toxins. And then you start shredding fat because you're assisting your liver, and weight loss is easier and quicker and actually leads to more permanent weight loss goals. So we really just need to eat a lot more fruits and vegetables to be able to aid our bodies and livers to be able to excrete these toxins. But how do we do that? The truth is that no one eats as many servings of fruits and vegetables every day as we're supposed to get. So we definitely need help. And that's why with the Shred 10 program, you'll be flooding your body with a rainbow of over 45 different fruits, veggies, and berries every day in a rainbow of colors with the Juice Plus products. So it's obviously not a substitute for the real thing, but it is a whole food plant powder, and it definitely bridges the gap as you try to eat a lot more plants with the Shred 10. So the nutritional component of the program is really easy because it's just taking 2 of each of the fruit, veggie, and berry capsules and 2 of those complete shakes every day. So real quick, let's talk about willpower, because that's a really important function of the Shred. Did you know that willpower is actually a function of blood sugar? So if you've ever craved a soda or a Snickers bar around 2 in the afternoon, or maybe there's a time you can think of when you've skipped a meal. We all get really busy, right? I know I've been there. We all have those days. So you want to do, when that happens, you want to eat everything in sight, right? And here's why. It's called the glycemic index. It's the rate at which sugar enters your bloodstream. And we all know that sugar should be entering your bloodstream really slowly and give you that sustained energy. But when you eat a meal that has soda or baked goods or alcohol or dessert, all of those things are going to spike your blood sugar. And then you have this drastic dip. See that light blue dip down there? That's what I call moron brain, because you have no willpower when that happens. And that's when you raid the pantry or you make your way to the vending machine and in general make bad food choices. So because the complete shakes are rich in fiber, they have a low glycemic load, which means the sugar enters your blood more slowly, and that's equivalent to munching on a piece of broccoli. So this stabilizes your blood sugar levels, keeps you in a willpower zone, and people have found that they lose their junk food and sugar cravings and have more willpower to make better food choices when they're drinking 2 complete shakes per day. And also, as a side note, less stress is also a function of blood sugar, right? That's amazing, right? We all need a little more less stress in our bodies, in our daily lives. So the complete has 13 grams of plant protein, as well as broccoli and radish sprouts, pumpkin, pomegranate, and spirulina powders. It also has 8 grams of pure plant fiber per serving, and there's prebiotics to keep our digestive system really healthy. If you're looking to lose weight, the shakes or smoothies become meal replacements, or if you're an athlete, you want to tone up or recover quicker, the shakes become really great pre and post workout snacks. But without fail, I start my day every day with a big giant complete smoothie because of how much energy it gives me and how awesome I feel afterwards. Okay, so we've covered the nutrition piece. Now on to the second part of the Shred 10 program. In order to maximize a person's success, the Shred is about shredding the food, toxins, and habits that are not serving you. So there are a few other guidelines to the program. So for 10 days, you're going to be adding more real whole food, things like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, peas, quinoa. And then you'll add Juice Plus Trio of capsules and the shakes to be able to support you in that endeavor of getting more real food into your body. We really want to encourage you to eat clean during these 10 days. This will give your body a break from having to digest heavier foods like gluten and dairy. And it will also reduce inflammation and free up the body to really cleanse itself. The other requirements are drinking plenty of water. We say that you want to drink enough that your urine runs clear. Sleeping between 7 and 8 hours a night, which is super important for the health of not only our mental state, but our bodies in general. Exercise most days, even if it's just walking for 30 minutes. You want to make sure you're getting in at least 30 minutes of exercise daily. And then you're going to eliminate gluten, dairy, caffeine, alcohol, processed foods, and artificial and refined sugars. Now, that's actually all fairly easy to do, especially because when you order, you're going to get this Shred Guide for free, which is an awesome ebook, and it has a lot of awesome meal ideas and shake recipes, snack ideas. It'll go into detail about why eliminating gluten and dairy and caffeine and all of that is really important. But the last and final piece to this program is not eating after 6 p.m. And I'm not going to lie, this is the one that usually is the hardest to do. But if you can make it work, you will be so amazed how good you feel in the morning, your mental clarity, your energy, because your body didn't have to spend all night digesting a big meal. So not eating after 6 p.m. really gives your body that chance to rest and digest and eliminate toxins effectively. But if you're pregnant or you're nursing or you're an elite athlete, you obviously may have to make adjustments to that rule, and that's totally fine. But if you really commit to the SHRED guidelines and stay consistent with Juice Plus, here are just a few of the common results people see within just 10 days. It actually changes your metabolic programming. So you start craving more fruits and vegetables when you're putting more fruits and vegetables into your body. So it just becomes a catalyst for getting better things on a lifestyle basis. Healthier weight. A lot of people, like I said, start losing weight when they're adding better things into their body. Better recovery from workout, improved sleep, increased energy. That one for sure. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't even begin to tell you how much energy I have on this program. Healthier hair, nails, and skin, improved regularity. There's another one. I spent my entire life having severe digestive and bowel problems. Well, not anymore. Increased mental clarity, and really the list does go on and on. But we know that long-term change doesn't happen overnight. So that's really where the nutritional support from the Juice Plus products come in, because Juice Plus is a huge reason why the SHRED 10 works. It's been studied all over the world for the past 20 years at some of the most prestigious institutions and universities in the world, like Cambridge, Yale, MD Anderson. For those of you who may be skeptics, definitely check out the research. All it takes is doing a quick search on PubMed. Juice Plus is the most widely researched nutritional product on the planet, with over 36 different published peer-reviewed gold standard studies, an astronomical score of over 100 on the Medline database, and it's third-party NSF certified, which just means that you can rest assured that it's completely safe for you and your family because it's free from all known toxins, chemicals, herbicides, and pesticides. So adding Juice Plus is simple and affordable, and all of the products always come in a 4-month supply. That doesn't mean that you take on all of the SHRED 10 challenge components for those 4 months, but if you can keep up with the nutritional support and maybe some of those habits that you form during the 10 days, you can imagine the type of results you're gonna see, right? So you don't want to just get healthy for 10 days. You want to take those 10 days to form healthier habits, and then Juice Plus is there to keep you on track after the SHRED is completed so that it's easier to maintain those results that you've achieved. So since the products come in 4-month supplies, most choose to do a SHRED once per month for a reset. So that's what I've been doing for about the past year. Every month, there's a 10-day SHRED 10 window, and it's awesome. It's a great reset. So regardless, Juice Plus, the nutritional support from Juice Plus, has your back the whole time. Now, all of the other SHRED 10 resources, like that ebook I was mentioning, the cookbook, they're all free when you order your Juice Plus trio of capsules and complete. But I would recommend this SHRED 10 package, which is right here on the right-hand side, which is 2 shakes per day and the trio of capsules. And of course, you can see how it provides maximum benefits. And kids eat free. Yes, you heard me right. I am so proud to be able to tell you about the Children's Health Study, which is the largest field study of its kind. And with this program, children over the age of 4 through full-time college student can get the fruit and veggie capsules or gummies for free with a sponsoring adults order. It's amazing. We are super committed to impacting the health of our kids and future generations, and this is one of the incredible ways we're able to do it. And the results that these children and their families are seeing in their health is really staggering. Definitely check these out. So talk to the person who invited you to this call afterwards if you've got kids and you want more information about the Children's Health Study. Okay, so at this point, I've had people say to me, all right, for all of that this program encompasses, everything we're getting, how much is this going to cost me? Something like $500 a month? And I just laugh because here's the incredible part. The SHRED 10 package is just around $6.50 a day, or about the cost of a large fancy latte, right? But instead of empty calories, you're spending $6.50 per day for the nutritional support of over 45 whole food plants and 2 meal replacements. What? I can't walk out of the grocery store with a handful of organic produce for less than $6.50. So you end up saving a ton of money on your grocery bill since 2 meals are already covered daily. Plus, kids eat free. So it's already a 2-for-1. The whole thing is a win-win. So just a little bit about my journey with Shred 10. I started my first Shred 10 a little over a year ago. And the first go round, I lost 7 pounds, 2 inches around my middle. My skin cleared up. I had more energy, better focus. I started sleeping better. And in general, I really couldn't believe how amazing I felt. So my before pictures are at the top, and as embarrassing as that is, I'm really proud of my after pictures. And my most recent one was after an amazing trip to Thailand where I ate anything and everything I wanted. And those results were pretty incredible too. So let me stop this recording real fast and I can take questions.